Hello and welcome to Lesson 5 of our phonics program. Let's get started. Let's go quickly through our sound reviews. We're going to go across and say each of the letters' sounds. So I'll go across first, then you'll do it. Okay, get ready. This is O. O says ah. Good job. Let's go to the next one. This is A. A says ah. Next one, this is the letter C. C says k. Nice job. Now it's your turn to try. Okay, get ready for the first letter. Ah. Next one, get ready. Ah. Next one, get ready. K. Good job. And go ahead and try it by yourself. First one, get ready. Next one, get ready. And last one, get ready. Nice job. Alright, quickly going through here. First sound, this is letter T. T says T. Next one, TH. TH says F. Next one, this is I. I says I. Let's go through and do them together. Get ready. Letter T. Letter T says T. Next one, get ready. Next one, get ready. And go ahead and go through it by yourself. First one, get ready. Next one, get ready. Last one, get ready. Nice job. Alright, this should be our last slide of our sound review, so I'm going to go through these letters as well. First sound is E. E says, well, there's a line over it, so we have to say its name. E. Next one, this is the letter A. A says ah. Next one, this is the letter R. R says Let's go through and do them together. Get ready. First one, E. Next one, get ready. Ah. Next one, get ready. Nice job. Now we're practicing blending, so we're putting all of those sounds together to make words. So how we're going to do it is we're going to see if you can do it first, and then we're going to do it together, and you're going to do it by yourself. Alright, see if you can try this third by yourself first. You should have gotten the word is from sounding it out, saying it slow, saying it fast. Let's do it together. Get ready. I. S. Is. Let's do it again. Get ready. I. S. Is. One more time. Get ready. I. S. Is. And go ahead and try it by yourself. Get ready. Nice job. Remember, you can also be using your fingers if you'd like to, too. Alright. Let's try this one over here. See if you can try it on your own first. Alright, by saying it slow and by saying it fast, you should have gotten sad. Let's try it. Watch me first. S-a-d. Sad. Let's try it together. Get ready. S-a-d. Sad. Again, get ready. S-a-d. Sad. And one more time. Get ready. S-a-d. Sad. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job saying it slow, saying it fast. 2 more words. Try and see if you can do this one on your own. Get ready. Alright, you should have gotten not. Let's watch me first to see how I break it apart. Get ready? N. Ah. T. Not. Okay, let's do it together. Get ready? N. Ah. T. Not. Again, get ready? N. Ah. T. Not. And one more time. Get ready? N. Ah. T. Not. By yourself. Get ready. Great job. Okay, going over to this word. Remember, we have this smaller letter here, K. Remember, when it's small, we don't say it. You don't want to say k. You just want to say rock. Let's try that together. Get ready. K. Rock. Again, get ready. K. Rock. One more time. Get ready. K. Rock. By yourself. Get ready. Nice job. All right, moving on. Going really fast today. We're rhyming with an. So if you can see in my red letters here, I have an. Let's try that together. Get ready. An. Again, get ready. An. One more time. Get ready. An. Okay, so we know that these two letters come together to say an. So our job is to put a beginning sound with an to make a new word. Let's try it. You see here, I put a little arrow just to help us put that together there. Alright, so we're going to start at this first arrow. We're going to say this sound, slide over and say an. Alright, so if you'd like to do the hand motions, you feel free to do so, but I'm going to be using the cursor for this. Alright, just to get you guys a little used to seeing it on the computer here. Alright, so we know that this says for this letter M, and then we're going to slide it over to rhyme it with an. So watch me do it first. An, man. Let's try that together. Get ready. An, man. Again, get ready. An, man. One more time. Get ready. An, man. And try it by yourself. Get ready. Nice job rhyming with an to make man. Alright. We're also going to be rhyming with ak. Alright, so we're going to put in front of ak. Alright, so let's sound this out first. Ak. Ak. Let's do it together. Get ready. Ak. Ak. Again, get ready. Ak. Ak. One more time. Get ready. Ak. Ak. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. Alright, so we're going to be rhyming, not with an, sorry, that's a typo there. We're going to be rhyming with ak here. So we know that this sound is b, so we're going to be rhyming with b, with ak to make, you guessed it, back. Alright, watch me do it first. B, ak, back. Let's do it together. Get ready. B, ak, back. Again, get ready. B, ak, back. One more time. Get ready. B, ak, back. By yourself. Get ready. Nice job rhyming b with ak to make back. And I think that's it for today. So we went over our sound reviews. So we did our letter sounds. We did blending, using those sounds to make words. And we also did our rhyming, putting our onset with our rhyme to produce another word. So good job. All right, bye guys.